Okay, real talk. You might be eating plastic. Yep, you heard that right. Not in some accidentally swallowed a Lego kind of way, but actual tiny invisible pieces of plastic in your food. Congratulations, you're now part of the microplastic diet. Not by choice, of course, but thanks to modern pollution, it's happening. So, what exactly is this stuff, and how the heck did it end up on your dinner plate? Well, brace yourself. Microplastics are like the confetti of the plastic world. Tiny little bits that break off from bigger plastic items like bottles, bags, and who knows what. These things are so small, they're less than 5 millimeters, which is basically the size of a grain of rice. But instead of adding flavor to your meal, they're adding, well, nothing you'd want. Here's the fun part. Plastic never fully decomposes. It just breaks down into tinier and tinier bits until it becomes microplastics. So, your plastic water bottle could technically be with you forever. Isn't that just beautiful? No? Yeah, I didn't think so either. So, how does this plastic nightmare sneak its way onto your plate? Well, it's everywhere, like literally. It's in the oceans, in the soil, and eventually in your food. Fish and other sea creatures mistake these tiny plastic bits for food. And when they end up on your sushi roll, guess who's eating plastic now? Yep. And it's not just seafood. Even if you're not a fan of fish, surprise, you're still not safe. Studies have found microplastics in bottled water, salt, and even in fruits and veggies. No one is safe, not even vegans. Bet you didn't think kale could betray you, huh? Now, here's where things get spooky. Microplastics don't just hang out in your food like uninvited guests. They could actually be harmful to your health. Scientists are still figuring out just how bad it is, but early research suggests microplastics could lead to inflammation, damage your organs, and carry toxic chemicals that mess with your hormones. Yeah, like we needed more things to mess with our hormones, right? And just when you thought you were safe, some research suggests we might even be breathing in microplastics. So maybe we should just hold our breath forever? No? Okay, cool. But before you throw your hands up in defeat, there are some things we can do. For starters, cut down on plastic wherever you can. Say no to plastic bottles, switch to reusable bags, and maybe avoid eating seafood that's basically seasoned with plastic. Also, support organizations working to clean up the oceans and reduce plastic waste. Trust me, they need all the help they can get, because this isn't a one-person job. We're all in this together, unfortunately. So, here's the horrifying truth. Microplastics are everywhere, even in your food. But it's not too late to make a change. We need to stay informed, reduce our plastic use, and make some noise about this silent threat. You down? If you found this eye-opening or mildly terrifying, give this video a like, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to know what's really in their food. Trust me, they need to know. Stay curious, and I'll see you next time on Incurious.